All right, lastly, guys, Q3, it's coming up really, really soon, guys. So I'm curious to hear, like, what are your plans for Q3? What do you plan on accomplishing before this year ends? We're basically at the halfway point of the year in about 30 days from now. So, guys, it's time to really get out here, really start to turn up your work levels between now and about October, November, December. That's when you want to be getting the majority of your deals knocked out. Y'all know, like I know, that once the holidays start to come, people start to get complacent. They start to want to relax. You want to spend time with family and things of that nature, which is extremely understandable, right? So just keep that in mind when it comes to your wholesaling business. Typically around, Thanksgiving, then the following month, you've got, Christmas, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. So many different things are going on between November and the beginning of the year. So make sure that don't wait until, it's already August, September, stuff like that or whatever, before you really start to think to turn up. This happens every single year. I see a lot of people who are putting in a lot of work and then they'll stop around now and then they'll be trying to pick things back up in like August, September, October. It's like, bro, like things are about to slow down, and wholesaling is all about momentum. So I highly, highly, highly recommend keep yourself motivated. Make sure that you're putting in this work for the end of Q2 going into Q3. And what a lot of people don't do, and this is what I recommend, this is how you really, really make sure that you hit your goals. Remember, it's got to be goals. We can't just be abstractly out there just doing whatever. We have to actually be on a path to get to where we're trying to go, right? We have to commit ourselves to something. So what I say is this: before Q2 is over, write down your goals. Whenever you're listening to this, write down your goals. Say, this is what I want to accomplish between now and the rest of this year. And then after that, write down, this is what I'm going to give in exchange to actually earn what it is that I'm asking for. Because nothing is given to us for free. So like, actually write out your goals, then start to write down what you're willing to give. Then you write out your objectives, right? You want to start slicing this thing up. You want to start slicing it up and get your team together. If it's just you, that's perfectly fine. Make sure that you're doing everything that you can to build yourself up. So that's very, very important. We have to really, really make sure that we take care of ourselves out here and put in maximum effort. But if you're putting in maximum effort, chances are you may be neglecting other things in your life, such as your physical health, your family, your spiritual, your mental. Make sure that you're taking care of yourself along the way. It's super, super important. I don't want to get too philosophical, but a lot of us will go real hard. We'll be running it up. And we'll either start totally relaxing or we just won't turn off the turn up, if that makes sense. And we'll start to burn ourselves into the ground, man, end up with health issues, end up hurting out here and things like that. So make sure that you take care of yourself. Make sure that you're staying hungry, staying active, but staying smart about it at the same time. I'm not trying to give you a pass to be lazy though. So like all of you people, like if you're not out there grinding, don't take this as like a pass to be like, oh, well, Ed said, no. I'm telling you to get out there and do everything you can, but make sure that you don't do it to your own detriment. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, though, guys, look, I'm not going to lie to y'all, man. I'm not going to hold y'all up. I'm not going to hold y'all up here in this video. I hope that this podcast has been helpful. I'm going to try to get this out to y'all real soon. As always, man, I hope that y'all staying healthy and staying blessed. Definitely check out all the links that I reference in this podcast down below. Schedule a strategy session with me if you want to chat with me one-on-one, pick my brain, whatever it may be. I'm here for y'all, man. So as always, until next time, guys, we are out.